And so, ladies and gentlemen, the shortlisted companies in the category of Manufacturer Supplier of the Year, Air Movement and Ventilation are IDEC Industries FZC, Windmason Arabia Company, and the winner in the category of Manufacturer Suppliers of the Year, Air Movement Ventilation for 2024, Windmason Arabia Company.
Thank you, CPI. Thank you, judges, that you select us. Of course, it's a teamwork, and I will call my team to have a group photo on the stage, especially Rana Shahid Sahab, Engineer Wali Khan, the co-founder, Engineer Adnan. Please come on the stage so we can have a group photo because it's the sharing of Windmason and Mass Holding Group. Please come on the stage so we can have a group photo. Thank you.
Carrier Middle East, Rawabi Integrated Gas, Windmason Arabia Company. Now here's the bigger part. And the winner on the category of Saudi Arabia Best Manufacturer of the Year is Windmason Arabia Company.